Hey wrestling fans, welcome to WWO. This is TD the Animal. I got an exciting matchup for you tonight. It is an Extreme Dream match. Every 60 seconds, a new weapon will be entered into the ring until all the weapons are in the ring, and then it will be a single pinfall after that. I can't wait to get started. This is going to be awesome. We are setting the new standard of wrestling in the WWO. Introducing first, from Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, this is Crazy Train. Crazy Train back in his first matchup after the Royal Rumble. This is huge. The Extreme Dream matchup. Crazy Train looks ready to go. And his opponent, from Las Vegas, Nevada, he is the WWO champion, Maxx Superstar
The apocalypse
Desilets.
The apocalypse ends now.
The champion with a message for the apocalypse. He's got a big matchup tonight. Non-title matchup. Extreme Dream stipulation against Crazy Train. We'll be right back. We're back, wrestling fans, with the Extreme Dream matchup. Here comes the first weapon. Ding, ding, ding. I threw a golf club in there. The champion's got it. Takes down Crazy Train right away. This matchup's going to be a lot of wear and tear. Nobody can get pinned until all the weapons are in there. Crazy Train got a hold of the champ. Weapons down on the ground. 1, 2. Who cares? I'm going to count anyway. No pinfalls until all the weapons are in the match. Crazy Train lost his mind there a little bit, and TD the Animal followed right along with it. Crazy Train with a shot to the back. Kick to the face by the champ. Down goes Crazy Train. TD the Animal has got another weapon. Baseball bat. It's fair game now unless one guy gets two. Champ takes the baseball bat to Crazy Train. Crazy Train comes back behind the knees with the golf club. Now takes the bat from the champ. Champ is down. Armbar by Crazy Train. Down to the mat. The champ is hurt. This is a big opportunity for Crazy Train to show what he can do against the champion of the WWO. And so far he's holding his own. Champ with the bat. Crazy Train with the golf club. Looks like they're having a sword fight. Crazy Train throws one weapon out of the ring. Champ chases it. Crazy Train's calling him on. Got the bat. Get in here. Outside it goes. No count out, no disqualification, and no pinfalls until all the weapons are back in the ring. Champ's back in the ring. Down he goes. Shot to the back by Crazy Train. Crazy Train taking the bat to the champ. TD the Animal says, enough of this. New weapon. Extreme Dream rules. Weapon every 60 seconds until all the weapons are gone. And no pinfalls until all the weapons have entered the ring. This is just a violent, brutal matchup here, folks. Crazy Train got the champ down on the mat. TD the Animal here with you at the WWO. First time ever Extreme Dream matchup between our champ, Maxx Superstar Desilets, and the Crazy Train. Crazy Train down on the mat. Superstar, boom, drop kick right to the chest. TD the Animal says enough's enough. Time for another weapon. Throws in the Money in the Bank briefcase. The Money in the Bank briefcase. Crazy Train is down. The champ could pin him, no problem, but there are no pinfalls until all the weapons are in. Takes the Money in the Bank suitcase and right over the top of the head of Crazy Train. Crazy Train is down and out. The champ, he's not going to stop. He's not going to give up. Boot to the chest. Crazy Train up in a hard shot to the back of the legs by Crazy Train. Crazy Train now working on the leg of the Champ. Oh, snapmare back. Champ says, that hurt like heck. T to the Animal says, oh, you think that hurt? Here comes a baking sheet. Baking sheet inside the ring. Crazy Train taking it to the Champ. Crazy Train still working on the foot of the Champ. He's got the baking sheet down there. Boom! Hits it with the shovel. The Champ is in trouble. Oh, the Champ with a retaliation with the bat. There's weapons everywhere, folks. Has it been a minute yet? No. Who cares? TD the Animal says, another weapon. This is Extreme Dream. And that's what I dream. I dream of lots of weapons in the ring with these two competitors. What a matchup we've got going here tonight, folks. WWO champion, Superstar Desilets, who's now taunting Crazy Train. Down on the mat, in trouble. But he's got the baking sheet. He's hitting the Champ over the head with it. Champ now outside the ring. Crazy Train's left in the ring with all the weapons to himself. We're about 10 seconds away from another weapon, and it's got to go inside the ring. The Superstar's outside. He can't. Oh! There was a golf club laying down on the side of the mat, and the Superstar, he's got it. But right now, Crazy Train's in there with a complete arsenal of weapons. And the Champ has only got the golf club. He catches him not looking. Back in the ring goes the Champ. Crazy Train, shot to the head. Champ is down. Champ is down. TD the Animal says Champ is down. Let's throw in the Champ's belt. WWO Championship belt now in the ring as a weapon. Crazy Train using it against the Champ right away. We are 2 weapons away from being able to pin. 3 weapons away from being able to pin. Either guy has a shot at winning this matchup. Clothesline. And a drop kick by the Champ. T to the Animal. Another weapon comes in. The exercise band is now in the ring. What an exciting matchup. The inaugural WWO Extreme Dream matchup. T to the Animal throws in a paddle. Folks, this is getting crazy. There's weapons all over the place. And there's a full moon tonight. The Champ's getting shots in the head. Crazy Train and the Champ still standing. We're down to our last weapon. In the ring it goes. These 2 guys, anybody can have a pinfall now. Champ with a shot to the face while Crazy Train was holding the WWE title. He's down on his back. Champ with a leg drop. You folks, you can hear those weapons just smashing against the mat. Crazy Train's down. Champ getting everything out of the way. With a splash. Holds him down for the pin. 1, 2, 3.
No. Gonna punish him some
Did the
more.
Champ just really let go before the 3 count? He's just looking to punish Crazy Train.
He said, gonna end the apocalypse.
The Champ is looking to end the newly formed group of the Apocalypse by taking out one of its strongest members, Crazy Train. Crazy Train down on the mat. Champ's telling him to get up. Crazy Train grabs a weapon. The Champ has nothing. Oh, the Champ taunting him. Crazy Train with a shot to the body with the bat. The Champ should know better than that. Now with the sheet to the head, Champ is down. Crazy Train, oh, smashing the Champ in the midsection. There's weapons all over this ring. Crazy Train getting the money in the bank. Briefcase where the Champ holds the bat. These 2 guys going at it. The Champ is down. Crazy Train up on his feet. Champ gets up too. Kick to the midsection. Crazy Train goes down. The Champ looks like he's setting him up. Crazy Train trying to get up. He's trying to get up.
Get up now.
Champ taunting him on. Crazy Train back up on his feet. Champ hits him with the bat. Starstruck! Starstruck! Crazy Train is down.
One more time.
Crazy Train is down and the champ will not pin him. He's waiting for Crazy Train to get back up. Crazy Train, there's no way he's getting back up after a Starstruck. Oh, he's getting up, but he's got a bat in his hand. Champ gets up to his knees. Pulls him up. Boom! Starstruck again. Looks like Crazy Train is down and out. What a amazing matchup so far, folks. The champ loading all the weapons on top of Crazy Train. Champ, 1, 2, 3. Ding, 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 ding. What a valiant effort by Crazy Train. Here is your winner, the WWO champion, Maxx Superstar Desilets.